Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our bed tie-down hook. There's going to be several of these and the process will be the same for any of them. To remove it, we're going to use a T27 Torx bit. If you were to look inside the head of the bolt, it's going to look like a star. Remove both of your mounting bolts. I'll grab that hook for the last one. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new bed tie-down hook. When you go to install this, you want to make sure you have it in the proper position. You don't want it upside down. We're going to take this and we'll put one of our bolts right through it. Start it into the bed. We're going to leave that loose, continue on to the next one. Do the same thing, start it in. Once they're both started by hand, go ahead and snug them up. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's completely secured. Thanks for watching.